let's take a look at one area where there's actually cooperation in Washington right now. You have a piece looking at the White House Chief of Staff and how ever since he's been in this role, he really has been the point person, particularly with the Senate. And I think people on both sides sort of applaud it and say this is authentic. He knows the Senate likes, the Senate wants to find a common ground. You have a smart piece that looks at how he's trying to take over the health care, what some people feel is it could be a debacle if they don't take it over effectively, and try to manage both the implementation, but then the PR of it, both the PR of the implementation side, the PR of how you handle it politically in 14.
Yeah, I mean, the PR part of it is sort of a huge fail for the administration, and with members of Congress, Democrats, who just feel like they've been hung out there from the start, really, sold a bill of goods by the White House in terms of the political strategy and what they thought would happen after they passed the bill. They're continuing to, now it's being implemented, feeling as if they're, hanging out there. And so McDonough has tried to own the law and the implementation of it in their eyes, give them some assurance that he is on this, that it's him, that it's not the legislative affairs director, who's more like a minder for members of Congress. It's a high-level contact, and he's trusted too because he's very fastidious and meticulous about what happens after a meeting and following up, and he's very engaged. So he's really soothing nerves as much as he can make inroads in terms of meeting with people. It's only as good as what the administration can back up in terms of substance. But right now the administration feels as though, or the White House, is that they're sort of laying the groundwork to keep them on board when and if they expect to hit glitches, in implementation. I mean, they can't go back and try to make this bill popular, what's happened in the past. So they're trying to hold them close moving forward when it's undoubtedly not going to be an easy road for the next 6 months. It's hugely important to the president. And he needs Democrats in Congress on his side, not just for political reasons, but practical reasons. They're the ones who are going to go out and try to get people enrolled in this program, and the whole success of it's based on whether they can reach those enrollment goals.